The Shenzhou 19 crew is over a month into their 6-month mission aboard China's Tiangong space station. Astronauts Cai Xuzhe, Lingdong and Wang Haoze are conducting 86 space science experiments, advancing knowledge in critical areas. One study investigates how weak magnetic fields affect fruit flies, while another explores the three-dimensional growth of stem cells in microgravity. Their research lays the groundwork for future applications, including space drug development using 3D tissue models. The crew is also analyzing lipid metabolism changes in space through phase separation studies. Maintenance tasks include upgrading the combustion science cabinet and continuing fluid physics research. In space medicine, the team is testing how gravity affects human visual motion perception to prepare for deep space missions. To protect the station, they've installed shielding devices to guard against space debris impacts. Additionally, they're ensuring the station's smooth operation by cleaning, inspecting, and sorting supplies across modules. And the Tiangong 8 cargo ship. Shenzhou 19 represents another step forward in China's ambitious space program.